guys didn't come here for a fashion show. What you want to see is if these improve my wheelies and my stunting ability and my coolness. Ooh, oh dang, bro. Let's start with this. Dang, dude. It's got the little tag right there. This is a sick bag. I'm definitely gonna be using this on the motorcycle. Pretty heavy material too. This is pretty cool. This is the shirt I've been waiting for. Now the other shirt, I did not expect him to have that in stock, and I am so stoked about that. The camera's not doing it justice. It's like a squash. I don't know. This thing is dope. It's not yellow. Oh, he does such a good job with the emblems. Always puts them in the right spot. Dude, that's on the front of it. This is the back. Tell me this is not the sickest shirt. So freaking dope. Look at that. Boy, let's go. So I'm 6 foot and I weigh 180 pounds, 185. Dude, this thing fits great. Riding down the road like this. It's pretty dope. I actually feel really awesome right now. These shirts are really cool because if you're fat and you want to be skinny, they make you skinny, and if you're skinny and you want to be fat, they make. Here's number 2. So this one is substantially thinner, but I like it for like the summer months. Actually fits really well too. The other one is dope. Honestly, it's hard to choose between the two. I think for winter, the other one's gonna be like my go-to under my sweatshirt type deal. But this one's gonna be my summer shirt, man. This is gonna be the one I wear today. All right, so enough messing around in the garage. You guys didn't come here for a fashion show. What you wanna see is if these improve my wheelies and my stunting ability and my coolness factor. I just got back from my trip to Colorado. It was just literally mind-blowing. Like, it was insane. Carl, one of our really good friends, and he's a killer on the mountain bike, killer on the dirt bike. He's just nasty at 2 wheels. Like, he's super good. You'll see it on the video, but he had an injury occur on ramps that I literally said I didn't want to ride because I knew I was going to hurt myself. But we had so much fun. We did dirt biking, mountain biking, downhill. But now that I'm back here in beautiful, sunshiny, hot, steamy, I am ready to try out these shirts, man. I am so excited. By the way, but it is like 90 degrees out right now, and I feel absolutely super cool in this shirt. This is the, I think it's like squash or something like that. The thinner one. The black one is on the thicker side. It's probably going to be my, like I said earlier in the video, it's probably going to be my winter time underneath the sweatshirt type of shirt. I want this guy to rip it, dude. Come on, you got a nice car, do something in it. And the coolest thing about this shirt is that it doesn't fit so like baggy and loose. Like, it doesn't fit super tight, but it doesn't fit so baggy and loose that I feel like the wind is just pulling me around. I feel like I'm basically not even wearing a shirt right now because it's so soft and thin. This is one of those shirts that I almost feel bad wearing it, like to drift and stuff like that, in the off chance that I do end up falling. What are you doing, dude? In the off chance that I do end up falling, I just don't want to rip it. It's so nice. And for 25 bucks, you really can't beat it. You're going to be paying 25 across the board for any decent shirt that's brand new from the store. Let's wheelie over this. Oh my gosh, dude. I hate these freaking stop things. They literally are so annoying. But either way, guys, if you're going to spend 25 bucks on a shirt, you might as well support a company that you actually want to see thrive. Wow, that is gorgeous. Headz has not only been so awesome to work with, dude. Super nice guy. Literally doing all of this on his own. Working super hard, finding people to do the designs. His designers are awesome people. I talked to the artist that designed this shirt, and dude, super cool guy. Literally, I want to hit him up to do some of my designs for our shirts. Speaking of shirts, I think we'll be coming out with some merch soon. But this is not about us. This is about Headz. So the shirt feels great. The shirt looks great. But I want to see how the shirt performs when I'm doing stunting. I want to see the nitty-gritty of it. I want to see how it does under pressure. So we're going to do that. I'll see you guys in a second. So I scouted out this area, and it looks to be a bunch of back roads people, so I'll just do a couple wheelies for you. Hopefully we keep one wheel on the ground at least. No, that's not gonna do it. That one wasn't bad. That one wasn't terrible, but it wasn't the best. Holy crap, that's a plane! What the heck? You're not gonna be able to see it because of the fisheye, but that is a freaking plane, dude. Do a little roller for you guys. It is insane to think that we are closer to 1,000 than we are to 0. It's not that impressive, but for us, it's honestly crazy. And like, I cannot thank the people who have supported this channel throughout the entirety of it enough. There are times that I have so much going on that I'm not able to make a video, and I just make time to do it. You know, it's crazy. I literally met up with a subscriber. This is weird to think about, but I literally met up with a subscriber and rode with him to Daytona Bike Week. Never in a million years would I think that would happen, you know? So I just want to thank you guys real quick while I'm cruising around for all the support and just everything. You guys have been awesome. I appreciate all the comments. I appreciate all the support. Haley just called me and she's not going to be happy, so I'm going to call her back. Ooh, I'm going to catch up to the guy in the DRZ, see if he'll do a wheelie. Oh, yeah. Oh, it's a dad. No, Mike, no. Ooh, these crash bars, man. I'm telling you, I cannot wait to do the review on these. I'm gonna bring these to the lot on Sunday, and next Sunday I'll have you guys out a video. Is it disrespectful to drift in a church parking lot? Is that bad? Like, would I get in extra trouble for that? Well, that kind of answered that quickly. There's literally a sheriff sitting right in that parking lot waiting. I go into the gas station to pay, and I realize I don't have my wallet, so I gotta go all the way home to get gas. I hope I don't run out before then. I mean, my gas light hasn't come on, but also my gas light was just flickering for months, so I don't know if it's very reliable. Come here, buddy! Hey! It's so cute! Have a good day! Guys, I pet a dog, I didn't get gas. We tried out the shirts, they're freaking amazing. I'm gonna wear one when I go to the lot later on. I am out of breath, I am tired, out of shape. We're gonna destroy these crash bars next week. I promise you I will push them. I will push them! Hopefully my bike doesn't break, hopefully the crash bars break first, or I don't know. We'll see, but I'm gonna test them out. Either way, guys, my name is Aaron, this is Tardy Productions. I'm out, I'll see you guys next week. When I see like Junkyard Kenny or like Seabear Stunts ripping wheelies down the highway, 100-mile-an-hour wheelies, I'm never like, oh, where's their helmet? I'm like, you got other things to worry about.